Welcome to this week's Thursday audio where we discuss Quota Full Standby and what this means when it comes to market research focus groups. Quota Full. Now, what happens is when there is a focus group being conducted and you're recruiting as in finding people for the group, the end client has particulars on what they are looking for. So people between this age group and this gender that shop for this product, or it could be open to both genders and open to age groups, or it could be people of this age group and this gender that buy the competitive products. So maybe it's a brand name product, but they're looking for also shoppers who buy the no-name product. This is just an example. Or oftentimes it could just be open. Now, what a quota full means is that they have filled the spots for the particulars that they need for people for that group. But if you are put on standby, it's backup just in case one person is unable to make it, so then they can fill that spot with one of the people who's on standby, or in case the end client decides to open up more spots for that particular group. End result, as I've mentioned before, is for clients to know what people like about the products or service or what they don't like and where they can improve.